Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit name of any shots from your shots, any friend on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, choose any account you want and hold on it like this, and here click manage friendship, and here you will find edit name, click on it, and here just type any name you want and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.